Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2014 Dodge Journey. Now the most notable features on this Dodge Journey is its AM/FM CD player. You also have your steering wheel audio control as well as your USB input. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2014 Dodge Journey. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Journey is its daytime running lights. You also have, just taking a closer look at your front hood, your hood deflector. And then over on the side you have your 17-inch wheels. Now up top you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces, and if we take a look just over on your left hand side, you're going to see your light controls, and then on the inside of your driver's side door, you'll find your mirror controls, window locks, and power locks. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function as well as your cruise control setting. And then the other nice thing is you do have your push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look on there, you have a exterior temperature gauge, and then you can also scroll through and take a look at a couple of the other additional features on here, which include your trip info. And then you also have your fuel economy, vehicle speed, and a couple of other additional features on here as well. Now taking a look just at your center dash as well as your display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here. So if we take a closer look at your display, you have your radio as well as your climate control. So if you go into there, you'll see a digital clock as well. And then if you have a look over on your right hand side in your settings menu, you have your display clock light as well as a couple of other additional features. You can also turn the screen off if you so desired, if you're not using it. And then if you're taking a look down below here, you are going to see your temperature control settings as well as your hazard lights, volume control, tune function, and then if we take a look just underneath there, you're going to see a power outlet mounted to a automatic transmission. And just taking a look at the very top here, you are going to see your light controls as well. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located just over on your far right hand side, you'll find your rear hatch release. And I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now, if you do require the additional space, you can actually fold down that 60-40 split rear seat, just in case you are moving a couple of things. And if we take a look just over on your left-hand side, you are going to see that power outlet. So if we take a look just underneath the floor here, you'll find some under-the-floor storage space. And if we take a look just underneath here, you'll find your jack and toolkit as well. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2014 Dodge Journey, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.